Hi there, students. I had a question to make a video about to cap it all. To cap it all. Let's see, for me, I would use this phrase to talk about the last thing in a series of events that was even worse than everything else. So, I don't know, I got up late this morning and I arrived even later at work, and my boss shouted at me, and I hadn't parked my car in the right place, and then I got a parking ticket. Anyway, after that, I discovered that the work I'd done yesterday was no good, and I had to spend my lunchtime making it right. Anyway, after a hard and horrible day at the office, I went home, and the traffic was absolutely terrible. It took me hours to get home. And anyway, finally I got home, and I opened the door to discover that there had been a flood, that the washing machine had leaked everywhere. So to cap it all, there was water everywhere in my house. And that's how I would use to cap it all. Now, you could use this positively, but I think personally I would use it negatively. Yeah, maybe it's because I'm a bit of a pessimist and I see things just steadily get worse and worse. But I guess you could use this to cap it all off in a positive sense. So, I was invited out to dinner by this beautiful woman, and we had this wonderful evening. We chatted all evening. And after the meal, the waiter brought me a very nice brandy to finish the meal. And then to cap it all, she invited me home. Yeah, so it could be something positive as well. Notice there are lots of different ways to put this. So to crown it all, generally though, I'm going to use to crown it all negatively as well. Yeah, to cap it all off. Yeah, on top of everything else, to top it all off, to cap it all off. The pièce de résistance. I think the pièce de résistance could be positive or negative, very definitely. Yeah, to round it off. Yeah, to finish it up, off. So yeah, there are lots of ways to do it. For me, to cap it all, or to cap it all off, I would say is a series of negative events, but I guess it could be positive. Yeah, it was a great day. I went to the beach, and it was a lovely, warm, sunny day, and I had a great lunch and a swim in the sea. And then when I came home, to cap it all, I discovered I'd won the lottery. Yeah, so it's to provide the finishing touch, to cap it all, to finish or complete an experience or a situation in a particularly positive or negative way. Yeah, so it's like to surpass, to outdo something that is even more negative or positive than the things that have been gone before. To top it off, to cap it off. Yeah, or I don't know, you've had a hard day and you go shopping, and you have problems in the supermarket, and you drag everything home, and you're just about to get in through the house, and then to cap it all off, the bags break and everything goes all over the floor. Okay, so yeah, it's just saying some extra thing, some thing that adds the finishing touch, that surpasses, that outdoes everything that's gone before. Yeah, so I've had a really bad week. It's been really difficult. And now to top it all, I have a cold, yeah? To cap it all off, to top it all off. So, formality, to cap it all, to top it all off. I think I'm going to give this a 4 informality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing, maybe just, but no more. I think the pièce de résistance, I think you could probably go a little bit higher with the formality for that. And then as to origin, the cap is a cap that you put over your head. It's the top, the ceiling, the limit. So it's like you're putting a cap or a hat on the top of everything. And that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To cap it off, to cap it all off, to top it all off, to finish it all off, to crown it all.